Are you thinking of buying the MagSafe Duo from Apple? Well, if you are, watch this first. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So, as I said in my intro, if you're thinking of buying the MagSafe Duo from Apple, I might have something that's a better option for you. So check this out. The guys over at Zeera Wireless have sent this to me. This is their version of the MagSafe Duo, but this is a 3-in-1. So this has 2 wireless charging pads and an Apple Watch charger. So let's check this out. In the box, not much in the box really, other than the charging pad itself and a USB-C cable. So yeah, pretty straightforward stuff. The product unfolds out. It does have that sort of white silicone finish that the Apple product would have. It does have USB Type-C and not Lightning. Woohoo! Love it. And it just seems to do exactly what it says on the tin. As you can see, we have a magnetic option here for MagSafe charging. We have a wireless charging pad here, and then we have our Apple Watch charger. Looks good, right? So let's check it out. Now, you don't get a charging brick with this, obviously, but let's be honest, who doesn't have a charging brick these days? So you'll have a charging brick. So just plug your charging brick in, and there we go. We get these little red lights come up. Pretty standard stuff. So let's try it out. So I need a couple of devices. So what I have here is I have my AirPods Pro. Lovely. My wife has kindly donated her iPhone 13, and oh, there's me and Bear. And I have my Apple Watch here as well. So let's check it out. So first off, we'll stick the AirPods on. Oh. And these are the Gen 2 AirPods Pro, by the way. So if you haven't seen my review of them, I'll leave you a link in the description below, so check that out. These, the AirPods Pro 2 make a noise out of the case when you put them on charger. There it is. It's going to make a liar right now there. And then I have my Series 4 Apple Watch. We'll just maybe do this actually, and then we have the MagSafe section. Bosh, and there we go. Oh, and we get all the MagSafe animations there as well. It's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. I didn't notice on the box. It doesn't say that it's made for iPhone. We're still charging. Everything's charging. So I assume when all the lights are blue, we're sucking diesel. Everything's all peachy keen. So Zeera say we get 15 watts of charging from the MagSafe part. We get 5 watts out of the other Qi wireless charging pad there, and then we get 2.5 watts for the Apple Watch. So this isn't just for AirPods. You can charge any other Qi wireless device. So if it's another phone, iPhone, Android phone, whatever, you can slap it down there. It's just Qi wireless charging. So the good thing about this as well is the Apple Watch charger actually pops up too. So if you wanted to put the watch on there, your watch then will sit in dock mode and you'll be able to see it, which is great. Now I recently took this away with me on a little break with my wife. This was the only charger I took with me solely for testing and seeing just how it operated, and it worked great for me. I had absolutely no issues with it whatsoever. I didn't really notice it getting overly warm, which I was quite surprised at, and everything just seemed to work the way it should work, which is great. So what we also do have with this is you have options. So these little N bits here can connect magnetically, and it can like sit upright. So if you wanted to say charge your phone and then charge your Apple Watch, it can sit up nice, which is pretty handy. Yeah, you get lots of customization options, and then when you're not using it, you just unplug it and it just folds up. It's nice and compact. You only need to take a USB-C cable with you to charge 3 devices and a charging brick. So it is the perfect thing for traveling. You know, if you're going away, you'll need 1 cable, 1 charging brick, and Bob's your uncle. So charging brick I'm using here at the minute is a 30-watt charging brick from Anker. So yeah, I think a 30-watt is more than plenty for what you need, considering the outputs of what you get. But yeah, it's pretty good. The MagSafe... Don't tell her I dropped her phone. The MagSafe strength is pretty decent, to be fair, when you're not swinging that around like me. you know, that's actually really good. I did know when I was away and I was using it, when I was trying to take my phone off, I was lifting the whole thing, but then I was using my Bataka case and it could tow a car with its magnets, so standard. But yeah, it's pretty good. It seems to be holding up quite well. I have been using it for quite a while now because I just wanted to properly use it before I did this video, so I just didn't want to unbox it and go, yeah, there's a charger, it's great, yay. This is an alternative to Apple's version of the MagSafe Duo. I think it deserved to be properly tested. So let's talk about the price. The Apple MagSafe Duo, which is literally just a wireless charger and a watch charger, is 100 quid. You're getting something that can charge 2 devices and it has a lightning port. This can charge 3 devices. It has USB-C and it has all of the nice styling of the MagSafe Duo, and it's under 30 quid, which is really, really cheap, to be fair. And I'm quite surprised it does have the MagSafe animations when you connect your phone onto it. That's something that surprised me. I didn't expect it to have that, and I didn't really run into any issues when I was charging devices on all 3 parts. So I did charge my AirPods, my watch and my phone while I was away, and I had no issues with it. Everything charged the way it should do. So yeah, it's a great little product, and I'll be honest, I would recommend this. It's definitely a more affordable option of something, and if you're traveling, look at the footprint it takes up. It takes up absolutely nothing, no space. In your bag, away you go. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Are you looking for a cheap travel charger? If you are, would you consider picking this up? Let me know in the comments down below. For me personally, I find this useful because not only for the likes of my phone and my AirPods and my Apple Watch, but I also dual carry a Pixel as well. So to set down an Android phone and an iPhone on one charger and just be able to charge the 2 of them is pretty great, to be fair. And if you're in the same boat as me, definitely look at one of these for sure. As always, guys, I'll leave you an affiliate link in the description below. Affiliate links help support the channel, but they don't cost you guys any more. So if you do buy one of these through one of my affiliate links, thank you very much for helping support the channel. So that'll be wraps it up for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me. Massively helps me out on the channel. And don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. I'm going to go, but until the next one, I'll catch you later.